Hi everyone, and thank you for joining this tutorial. My name is Yair, and today I'm going to talk about Hawkins-Brown Emission Reduction Tool, or HBERT. HBERT is a Revit-based plugin that lets you calculate your design's embodied carbon while you design your building, while you use Revit. It's a really easy to use tool, and I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial. Embodied carbon is a part of a larger scheme which is called life cycle analysis. I'm not really going to talk into the detail about that, but just wanted to let you guys know that if you're interested in that, you can find some more resources online. But the idea is that embodied carbon is these three highlighted sections in this diagram. And also important note is that HBERT was designed in alignment with British Standard EN 15978. For those of you who are interested in that, you can find some more material in that online if you're interested. So I'm going to explain how to download HBERT, how to install it, and how to use it. So let's get started. The easiest way to access HBERT is by simply typing in Google HBERT carbon emissions, and the first link will be Hawkins-Brown emission reduction tool. That will take you to Hawkins-Brown's website. HBERT was developed during my PhD, which was carried partly in a collaboration with the Hawkins-Brown architects. You can find some more details about that in this webpage. You will be asked, if you want to download the tool, you'll be asked to provide some details, your name, your email address, etc. You'll also be asked to accept the terms and conditions. I recommend you guys to read that thoroughly. And once you complete this form, you can just hit the download button, which will take you to this page where you can download the tool. Once you do that, you can open the folder. I'm going to copy this into a different one and extract it right there. So it's essentially a zip file which contains a number of files. You'll see that in a minute. Let's open that one. And here you can see all the files that have been downloaded. At the heart of HBERT, you have actually 3 Revit files. So for Revit 17, 18, and 19. And the idea is that you have a source file which contains all the data you need, all the materials and all the embodied carbon data. And you're going to build your models on this root file. In this folder, you can also find a user guide. It's a pretty basic but quite comprehensive guide, which tells you how to pretty much what we're going to cover, what we're covering today, how to install HBERT and how to use it. Yeah, that's about it. So the next thing we need to do is actually go to the add-in folder in your Revit folder and copy these 2 files. So let's do that. We are going to open our browser, C drive, program data, go to Autodesk, Revit, add-ins. In this case it's 2018, and I'm going to, I've already done that, but what you need to do is simply drag the 2 files from the zip file that you've downloaded into this folder, your add-ins folder for your version of Revit. That's it. The next step, you just need to simply open this file, open Revit, start Revit with the source file, and I'll join you again in a minute once Revit is loaded. See you in a bit.